Finana, can you try to do your deepest voice?
My deepest voice?
Yeah.
I don't know how deep I can go.
Like, try to imagine you're like, I don't, maybe like, I don't know. Like, Vox, I guess?
Vox? I cannot do Vox.
Okay, let me think. Maybe not Vox, maybe like, Nina?
Oh, like the hi honey thing?
Yes.
Okay, only if you do your highest pitch one.
I need a drink of water. I need a drink of water. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm nervous. Okay, I'll do a Nina impression.
Okay.
Hi, honeys.
Did someone else just join the call?
Yeah, that was Alira.
What? What?
Alright, your turn.
What?
Your turn.
My turn? I have to go like really, really high?
Yeah, your highest pitch.
No, I gotta like, Thank you for playing with me today.
Oh my god, that was so soft. Was that really your highest though?
I can't go any higher than that right now. It's like blocked off. My nasal cavity is like.
It was like Alban soft.
Do you want me to say anything?
How about you pretend to be Petra?
Hi guys, I'm Petra Gurin. I'm a big loser.
Oh my god! I did not. Oh my god, those words came out of Alban, not me.
It's okay. She's gonna call me a loser back. It's just how it goes.
This is gonna be clipped.
Petra-san, sama senpai, I'm sorry, please. Please, Finana told me to say it.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say nothing. That was all you. That was all you.
Shall I break the ice?
Oh my god. That was so
Big Pomu energy.
I can only sound like Pomo through a megaphone. I'm Pomo. Big TP energy. I can't do the last part, but I can do the big, you know? I can do that part. Big. You know? It sounds just like Pomo.
I love Finana.
And I guess I can also do a lyric too. Love at first sight. That's a lyric.
Can you do that again?
Wait, why?
I did. You cut out.
No, I didn't.
No, you cut out. I'm dead serious.
It.
You cut out. You actually cut out.
You heard it.
I think you still had your microphone thing on.
No. I saw your face when I did it.
Yeah, I was surprised that most of it cut out.
No.
Clippers, you're welcome.
Before I do it, you gotta do your deepest voice now.
My deepest voice? Okay, I gotta channel my inner Vox.
Become Vox.
Wow, speak of the devil.
Oh my god. I was not expecting that, not gonna lie.